Hey, welcome back to Cryptos to Invest. Today we're going to talk about XRP. Welcome back to anybody that just joined my channel lately. Thank you for subscribing. If you're watching this video for the first time and you're not subscribed, please head up and subscribe to not miss anything about crypto and crypto hype that goes out there and any updates about cryptocurrency market. So today we're going to see just XRP. So this video is dedicated to XRP fellows or XRP like fans or investors or the one that watching XRP for the next move. So what's going on with XRP? Actually, it is on somehow on trending. Why? Because I'm gonna give you the reason why it isn't trending. So I'm gonna make this video as short as I can. So we have here a huge downtrend line that we had actually drawn since a long time. Since when was that? Since February 21. So each time it came and then touched that downtrend line and it goes back. Trend like this is a multiple many times where it did that. So let me just make it easy for you with this arrows like this. So this is the first time and this is the first time, this is the second time again did it, the third time here, the fourth time here. So and the fifth time maybe even here, but we saw something is increasing or something is different this time. Let me delete this one. We're seeing something really different in here, so we have to zoom out. Actually, we broke this downtrend line couple days ago, I mean 2 days ago or something. So if we want to just bring it back where it was here. That's where it was. Okay, so it break in above the downtrend line, and it did actually correct above the downtrend line. And what you see in front of you is a daily chart. So this is a daily chart. As you can see here, 3 days that it corrects above it, and all of a sudden, it jumped back again to 0.46 on USDT. So, but we notice also that each time it comes to this area, which is 0.30, there is a lot of buying orders waiting in here. And each time just touched there, there's a huge buying orders that makes the price to come back up. And these two places are really, really important to watch, which is 0.20, 22, also 0.30, also 0.50, because those ones that will show us how strength this project is and how it's gonna go forward going from here. Let me explain. So we saw here a huge resistance, which is we never touched. So that's a resistance that may still in play in case the XRP didn't win the court case. But there is a lot of people invested on this cryptocurrencies, especially. But because of the technology and because of the potential you have to solve a lot of monetary problems, so or financial problems. Here it can actually go even down here, which is 0.30. Everything is possible in cryptocurrency, whether you like it or not. That's just a fact. We saw a lot of things, and 2022 was really a good lesson. 2021 was good a lesson for a lot of projects that really right now demolished from the market. That they don't even exist anymore, and they were huge. So here it's still in play, which is 0.20, 24, 25 in case the court didn't win the case. But as long if there's any confirmation that XRP win the court case, which I'm not going to be hopeful about, because I don't think that they will win the case in the court against the SEC. But if they does, or if they did, then a very cross this resistance, a very like breakout of this resistance will happen, and immediately the price will jump into 0.18. Nevertheless, though, 0.18, 0.90 is a huge resistance in itself, and the price will back up from there and coming back to the same resistance, which is here, and it has actually to correct a pivot in order for us to have a confirmation that will continue, or we will have a price trend up continuation to maybe $1 or more. But XRP itself, it has a huge resistance between $2, $1.88, also here 0.80, 0.90, which is also considered to be a huge resistance, as well as this one right here, because there's a lot of times where we came to the same spot, we came to the same level, and we back up the right way, as you can see here, as well as here. So the times we came 2 times here and we back up. Right now, the same support plays resistance right here. We came up here, we're gonna back up, we're gonna came here and we will back up, and we have just to stay above this 0.35 in order for the price to stay bullish. So then maybe we see something like this. So those are just scenarios, guys, and you see here this trend line that goes from the bottom and goes up, and each time it just touch the trend line here from the bottom, and then it continues up, and it does and continue up. So maybe we will see a rejection right here, comes here, and all of a sudden break it all to the upside in case of any positive news about this particular project. In terms of RSI, though, to RSI showing also the same thing. So it's also showing the same thing as we saw in the chart. So it shows also a trend goes up. So it may we see here something like this, and all of a sudden something like that, maybe, and also down. So this is daily, guys. We are in daily about 60, and on the 4 hours we already reached, you see. So soon as we hit about 85 on the 4 hours chart, immediately the price comes down. So right now we're trying to back up to the same spot. The price again will came down, but in terms of daily, it's still there is a high chance that it's still going up. But in the weekly and the monthly too, in the weekly still there is had a lot of movement waiting for XRP to go and to test. But nevertheless, we have also the price will respect the resistance and the support, and that will also be a point of that we or the points that we have to pay attention for. So coming back to the chart itself or to the news, there's a lot of news going on about XRP. So there's a lot of people that it also explains how much people are investing in this particular project, and there's people investing in it for a long term. There's people just investing in it on short term, but the most of people I know, they invested on this particular currency for a long term. As you can see here from the website checkup, it's on trending. Is the second on trending about 9%. It's just made 9% and it is on trending. Guess what? If it just made about 90% up in one day, the rest of the fellow or the people will start in buying, and that will create a hype, and the trend will be stronger, and the price will move up bigger than what we've been expecting it. But nevertheless, there is speculate. Oh my God, my English. I'm sorry, guys. Speculation about manipulation on the price, and manipulation also upon what they have to do with the core and the problems they have with them. So people are manipulating that for their sake, and driving maybe the price to go up, and all of a sudden they will sell the news. And we know that, we know they say buy the fear and sell the news. So that's maybe the case here. We don't know. Let's just see and watch up the price closely and see if that's going to be the case or not. So I hope this makes a little bit clarification about about XRP. So because I don't want to. Myself, I'm not gonna invest on it. I'm not investing on it right now. I didn't invest on it until I have a clear answer about what's the court may or the case of XRP will end up with. Then I will invest on that. If it was positive, it wasn't. They win the court case, that will be good. I will be investing in it immediately, no matter what the price is. But if they don't, so I will keep my fingers out of it because we still in a bear market actually. So that's it all for today. I hope you like this content. Please head up and subscribe if you're not. And if you have any comments in the comment box below. If you think that XRP will win the court, please put it in the comment box below. I will be happy to read your answers and your thoughts about it. Thank you so much and have a great day.